Hello, hey everyone, welcome to Sleepy Radiology classes. And I promise it will be easy for you. Welcome back to Sleepy classes, and we are in the quality assurance test series of diagnostic radiology. And today we are with the second QA, that is central beam alignment. So, what do you understand by central beam? सेंट्रल बीम क्या होता है? सेंट्रल बीम वो बीम होता है या वो रे होता है जिसको हम सीआरबी बोलते हैं, सेंट्रल रे, जो रे एक इमेजिनरी लाइन होता है, वो क्या करते हैं, इट फॉल्स परपेंडिकुलर टू द फिल्म, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट इज सेंट्रल बीम एंड सेंट्रल रे. तो अगर हमारा सेंटरिंग ही सही नहीं है, इफ द सेंटरिंग बीम इज नॉट करेक्ट, इफ द सेंट्रल रे इज नॉट करेक्ट, what will happen? There will be misposition of the anatomy. So that is why we have the second QA, that is called as central beam alignment test, right? And why we do this thing? ताकि छोटे से छोटे minute loss of detail should not happen there. Okay, so that is the purpose of our central beam alignment test. Now when we do this central beam alignment test, iska frequency kya hai? We have to do it within once in 2 months. Clear? Once in 2 months. और उसके लिए हम क्या use करेंगे? We are going to use the device which is our collimator test tool. Okay, and we are going to use the acrylic cylinder. Okay, and that is going to give us all the measurement for our central beam alignment test. So let's see the criteria of our central beam test. Is it consists of an acrylic cylinder. This is the acrylic cylinder. It has inner diameter of 6.3 centimeter and outer diameter of 7.5 centimeter. So what is the diameter? Inner diameter 6.3, and what is the outer diameter? It is 7.5 centimeter. What is the length? The length is 15.2 centimeter. And this apparatus also has two small stainless steel ball, and this stainless steel ball, one is kept above, another one is kept below, and both are coinciding each one. So what is the diameter of the balls? It is 1.6 mm. क्लियर? तो दो बॉल्स रहता है स्टेनलेस स्टील का, और दोनों बॉल्स बराबर सेम डायरेक्शन में कोइंसाइड करते, एक ऊपर रहता है दूसरा नीचे रहता है, बराबर सेम डायरेक्शन में. और व्हाट इज द डायमीटर ऑफ देम? 1.6 mm. Clear? So next thing is why this beam is done? So that it is done along with our previous test, that is congruence of optical and radiation film. So you can see here they have placed the collimator test tool, they have placed the acrylic cylinder, and they are doing this test just after the congruence of optical and radiation film. Okay, and if you have missed out while doing the congruence, you have to repeat it when you are doing this central beam alignment. So that is well better कि दोनों टेस्ट एक ही साथ ही कर लो आप लोग, तो एक ही फिल्म में आपको दो रिजल्ट आ जाएगा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डू दिस प्रोसीजर. सो टू दिस प्रोसीजर सेम क्या करना है आपको, एसआईडी जो है वो 100 सेंटीमीटर में रखना है. यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द फिल्म साइज 20x20 सेंटीमीटर फिल्म साइज. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज जो हमारा कॉलीमेटर टेस्ट टूल है उसमें क्या होता है एडिशनली, ये देख सकते हो आप, दो सर्कुलर रिंग्स होते हैं. तो ये जो रिंग्स है इनका मेन पर्पस होता है हमारा ये सेंट्रल बीम अलाइनमेंट टेस्ट के लिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्या करोगे, कैसेट लगाओगे, कैसेट के ऊपर कॉलीमेटर टेस्ट टूल लगाओगे, और ठीक उसके ऊपर हमारा बीम अलाइनमेंट टेस्ट टूल दैट इज एक्राइलिक सिलेंडर को प्लेस करोगे. फिर आपको एक्सपोज करना है. एक्सपोज करने के बाद आपको ऐसे ही इमेज आएगा. तो अगर ये दोनों जो बॉल है एक दूसरे को, एक के ऊपर दूसरे के ऊपर मीन्स वन अबव अनदर कोइंसाइड कर रहा है, तो दैट इज ओके, परफेक्ट, एकदम परफेक्ट है. अगर little it has moved from inner circle, that is also we can take it in our consideration. Means within 1.5 to 3 you can degree, 1.5 to 3 degree you can take the tolerance, but maximum tolerance is our 1.5 degree. अगर ये पूरा आपके जो दोनों बीम देखो यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, एक इनर डायमीटर में है दूसरा आउटर डायमीटर में है, तो दैट इज एक्सीडिंग आवर 3 डिग्री. दैट मीन्स दिस सेंट्रल बीम इज नॉट in proper alignment, so you have to go for the repair and you have to correct it unless and until you get 1.5 degree. So that is our central beam alignment test. So next I will show forward you how the cylinder looks, and we also have a trick like congruence of optical and radiation field. If you don't have this acrylic cylinder, what you can do is you take a long syringe and you put two small balls, stainless steel balls, one above one below, just perpendicular to one another, and you expose in your same procedure how you are taking the film in envelope. So that is also you can do routinely in your department. You no need to have any kind of apparatus like that. So kya karna hai, you can take one glass cylinder, or you can take one syringe, and just put small two balls above one another and just expose it. And if you are seeing that both the balls are above one another, superimposing, perfect. If it is slightly moved 1.5 degree, okay, but if it is quite apart, एक दूसरे से बहुत दूर तक है, तो आपका जो अलाइनमेंट है वो सही नहीं है, तुरंत ही आपको रिपेयर करना है. ठीक है. सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट अ सेंट्रल beam alignment test. I hope it is very much easy for you now. Thank you so much. So again, to rewind, is today's topic was central beam alignment test. And why we do this test? क्यों करते हैं? ताकि हमारा जो सेंट्रल बीम है, इमेजिनरी सेंट्रल रे है, वो फिल्म पे परपेंडिकुलरली पड़ रहा है या नहीं पड़ रहा है. और उसी से क्या हो जाएगा, जब हम पोजीशनिंग करते हैं, अगर उस बीम परफेक्ट है तो हमारा पोजीशन एक्यूरेट होगा. इस टेस्ट का फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या है? इट इज़ डन इन once in 2 months. So let's move to the equipment. So first equipment what you require is mainly is the acrylic cylinder. Okay, and what is the acrylic cylinder formed of? It is having an outer diameter of 7.5 centimeter, inner diameter of 6.3 centimeter. Its length is 15.2 centimeter. It has two stainless steel balls of 1.6 mm. And this cylinder is made up of Perpex. Okay, next thing is you require another tool is the collimator test tool, and that is going to give you how much the beam has aligned. So maximum tolerance is how much? 1.5 degree to 3 degree. Steps are adjust the height to 100 centimeter SID. So that is my SID, source to image distance. Next is first you have to put the cassette, and that should be film screen cassette, collimator test tool, beam alignment test tool, expose, process in darkroom, and check the result. Okay, I hope you have liked it. So now we have processed our image. This is the result. I will show you which is accepted and which is not accepted. I hope you have liked the video. Please and subscribe and share it more to the persons who require it for QA purpose. So see, this is not accepted because it is crossing the outer diameter. If you have liked the video, please press the like.